Welcome to the Verizon Home App. We'll walk you through the interface to help you get the most from your home Wi-Fi network. The home screen provides an overview of your network and quick access to commonly used features such as your connections and device groups. With connections, you can quickly check on the status of your network, equipment, and devices. If there are any issues, tap in to troubleshoot. The Home app offers a simple way to manage and control your family's Wi-Fi connections. Add a new device group by tapping the plus button and entering a name. You can even customize the device group name by uploading a photo. All the devices that are connected to the network will appear so that you can add any device to a specific device group. Once the devices are grouped, you can easily control the internet connection on all the devices at once by pausing or setting time limits for additional parental control. You can manage your devices from the tile on the home page. Tap Manage to add or remove devices and even set internet usage limitations. To pause a device group, simply tap the Devices tab to view all your existing device groups. Then tap Manage and pause internet. If you ever run into a problem, help is just a tap away with quick actions. Right from the home screen, you can access links to common issues through the troubleshooting guide. You can also easily restart your router through the app and even run a speed test to check your current internet connection. Just tap Run Speed Test and see your download and upload speeds, as well as previous tests. When a guest comes over, quickly and easily share your Wi-Fi network directly from this screen, or allow them to scan the QR code to immediately connect. If you ever want to change your network name or password, just tap on Network and enter your current password to easily make changes, depending on how your tastes change. The Discover tab makes it easy to find video tips to help you get the absolute most out of your Verizon Home app. Now you're ready to get your Verizon Home all set up. Download the Verizon Home app on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store.